Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add extensions in VS Code. First, you need to open the extensions view. Look at the activity bar on the left side of VS Code. It's the vertical panel with all the icons. At the bottom of that bar, you'll see the extensions icon, which looks like 4 squares with one separated from the others. Click on it. Once you do, the extensions side panel opens up, and you'll see a list of popular VS Code extensions from the marketplace. Each one shows a brief description, the publisher name, download count, and a star rating. Now you'll search for the extension you want to install. At the top of the extensions panel, there's a search bar. Click into it and type the name of the extension you're looking for. As you type, the list below filters down to show extensions that match your search. Scroll through the results until you find the one you want. Once you've found it, click on the extensions tile in that list. When you click it, the extensions details view opens up in the main area of VS Code. This page shows you the full README, a list of features, the changelog, ratings, and other information about the extension. To install the extension, look for the install button. You'll see it either on the extension tile itself or at the top of the details page that just opened. Click the install button. The button should change to show installation progress, and once complete, it'll typically switch to a gear icon. The extension is now installed and ready to use. A couple of quick tips. Extensions you install from the VS Code Marketplace will automatically update to the latest version when updates are available, so you don't need to manually check for updates. Some extensions might need you to reload VS Code to activate fully. If that's the case, VS Code will prompt you with a reload button. Also, if you want to speed this up next time, you can open the extensions view instantly by pressing Ctrl-Shift-X on Windows or Linux, or Shift-Command-X on Mac. And if you're looking for a specific extension by its exact identifier, you can type @ID:, then the identifier in the search bar, for example, @ID:, _volar. Thanks for watching.